Good morning, friends. See, today we are going to talk about some important clinical tips of cold and coryza. So many times, what happen in the life of homeopath, we are able to treat the chronic cases very nicely. We are able to take case taking, या फिर we are taking a nice case. We are giving symptom simillimum analysis. We are doing very nicely, and we are treating a chronic case in a very marvelous way. We are getting a very good results in that case. But what happen whenever we are treating acute cases such as a simple cold and coryza, simple gastrointestinal tract infection? In these cases, somehow we are not able to get a nice result. See, so many times patient come with us with a simple cold and temperature, and what happened, we are giving them some medicines which are given in our Metra Medica. But what happened in that case, we are not able to give them a nice result. So what happened exactly? Why symptom simillimum is not matching over there? So we are going to talk today about the clinical tip related with the cold and coryza. What exactly we should see in these cases? What exactly we should go for it? See, there are so many types of prescription in homeopathy also, but we have to match a symptom similarity, and in that case we have to see the what exactly patient is suffering from and what are the causative factors. So what are those medicines we can give? So for that case, me myself have distributed these cases of cold and coryza into stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. So what exactly we are going to see in stage 1? So few medicines, we are not going to talk about each and every medicine in homeopathy, homeopathic Metra Medica, ki this medicine is good for that type of cold, this medicine is good for that type of cough and all those things. We are just going to talk about few medicines, very few medicines which are giving a very nice result in case of cold and coryza. Even they can reduce the temperature, okay, within a hour, okay, which is not able to see in allopathic prescription. See what happened in allopathic prescription, so many doctors are, what they are doing, they are giving some antibiotic because they are considering some infection must be there, and that is why this person is suffering from cold and coryza, and that is why that allopathic doctor will give them some antibiotic, he will give some anti-allergic, so that and with this antibiotic and anti-allergic, antipyretic, okay, that means to reduce the temperature, everything he has to give, 3 to 4 tablets he has to give for a simple cold and coryza case. But here in our homeopathy, only single medicine gives a very good result. Mind it, this is my experience, 17 years experience I am telling you. So what exactly we are giving? And one more thing, normal people, that means patients में ऐसा consideration रहता है कि when we are able to treat a simple case, we are able to treat a chronic case. See, in practice this happens. खूब बड़ा, आई विल टॉक इन हिंदी ऑल्सो, बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि पेशेंट्स को ऐसे लगता है कि इफ मैडम हमको सिंपल कोल्ड कोराइजा ही ठीक नहीं कर पाएंगे तो फिर हम लोगों को क्रोनिक केस कैसे दिखाएंगे. दिस हैपन्स, दिस कंसिडरेशन आर देयर इन नॉर्मल पब्लिक, बट व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, yes, we are giving result in chronic case, but in acute case we have to study a lot, because in acute case the symptom changing immediately, so we have to change medicine immediately. So what exactly I am doing in my practice, and I am getting a very good result also, so that is why I am telling you I have distributed the disease into 3 stages in case of simple cold and coryza. So what exactly we are giving? Number 1, we will talk about a simple first stage of cold and coryza. So what exactly we are giving? Exactly number 1, in first stage of cold, when icy coldness is there, patient is having chills and his hands and fingers are very much icy cold. In that case we can give camphor 6, okay, with few repetitions. Okay, the patient has a stopped nose, dried nose, या फिर he is having a headache, in the frontal area, as well as having some pain in throat, and medicine should be given in a watery solution every 2 hours. This is the tip, or this is the secret of cold and coryza. We can prescribe in first stage, we can prescribe camphor 6th potency. Within 2 hours we have to repeat the dose, as well as we can give them in a water solution. How to give in water solution? Very simple. You have to take a teaspoonful of water and you have to put 1 or 2 drop or 1 or 2 medicated globule of camphor 6, and we can give them 2 hourly. Mind it, this will give you marvelous result if the patient is there in a first stage of cold and coryza and the patient is having icy coldness of his extremities. This is very important. If you are giving some another medicine and there is no icy coldness, if icy coldness is there and you are giving another medicine, it won't work. Mind it. Okay, because friends, this is a very important. We have to match symptom similarity, and that is why if your symptoms are matching with your medicine, then only you will get result. And so many times my new junior homeopaths are asking कि cold and coryza में तो result ही नहीं मिलते, क्या करना है? Because you are not matching the symptom similarity, my dear friends. So that is why in first stage of cold and coryza, if icy coldness is there, if frontal headache is there, throat pain is there, somewhat blockage of nose is there, just patient is telling की काल परवापासून मला सर्दीसारखं वाटतंय आणि ते सेकंड स्टेजमध्ये जातं, पण पेशंट म्हणतोय की 2-3 तासामध्येच मला जरा सर्दीसारखं वाटतंय. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेज. You have to see that which is the stage, in which stage patient is there in front of you, that you have to see, my dear friends. So that is why we have to see in which stage patient is there in front of you and what symptom he is carrying. Okay, so first stage, nose stopped and dryness, icy cold extremities, subjectively as well as objectively. That means patient is telling you कि बहुत ठंडे लग रहे हैं हाथ, फिंगर्स, बहुत एक्सट्रीमिटीज ठंडे लग रहे हैं, बट ये सिर्फ पेशेंट को ही नहीं लगना है, ये आपको भी लगना है. दिस इज ऑब्जेक्टिव सिम्टम. मीन्स व्हाट यू आर ऑल्सो ऑब्जर्विंग. इफ यू आर टचिंग दैट हैंड, यू आर ऑल्सो थिंकिंग येस वेरी आइसी कोल्डनेस इज देयर, and then that means icy coldness subjectively as well as objectively. In that case you can prescribe camphor 6 2 hourly in water solution. So this will give you very good result. Thank you. In the next lecture, next video, we'll talk about the next medicine which we can give in the first stage of cold and coryza. Thank you.